When shopping for a car, you'll want to avoid models that could leave you stranded on the side of the road or spending thousands on repairs. With data on over 330,000 vehicles, here's Consumer Reports' 2024 list of the brands that make the least reliable vehicles. At number 5 is Jeep. It's true, many Jeep owners love their cars, but that doesn't mean they don't have problems. Members who own the Jeep Grand Cherokee, for example, told us they had problems with the air suspension and steering linkage, and in-car electronics like screen freezes that sometimes required replacing the entire unit. Multiple people told us they experienced the screen randomly going blank for up to 24 hours. Volkswagen is the 4th least reliable automaker. Every model made by VW has predicted reliability below average. The Taos SUV is well below average, with brake issues, transmission problems, and engine trouble. Starting a car company from scratch isn't easy, and EV startup Rivian shows how tough that can be when it comes to reliability. Both of Rivian's models, the R1S and R1T, have below average predicted reliability. Owners of the R1T pickup told us about issues with the drive system, specifically the axles. Other issues involve charging and the climate system. Number 2 on the least reliable list is Mercedes-Benz. Every single Mercedes model is predicted to be below or well below average. For example, GLE owners reported build quality issues with body hardware, noises and leaks, and electrical accessories. And multiple owners told us about issues with the keyless entry not working at all. And at the bottom, the least reliable automaker of 2024 is Chrysler, also known by its parent company name, Stellantis. It's primarily dragged down by the Pacifica hybrid minivan, with members telling us about battery and charging problems and issues with the drive system. Many people specifically reported battery heating and cooling system issues as well. So avoid buying a lemon on your next car purchase. We've got reliability info on hundreds of vehicles, as well as results from our 50+ tests on over 200 vehicles at consumerreports.org.